Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to the bees. Classification of the bee. Classification of the bee. It is in phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta. It is in order Hymenoptera, genus Apis, and species is Apis mellifera. That is the species name, Apis mellifera. So that is the classification of the bee. We have to get it on our fingertips. It is in a phylum Arthropoda. It is in class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, genus is Apis, and the species name is Apis mellifera. And other Hymenoptera, those ones include the wasps. Bees, they are social insects. They live in a colony, and this colony contains the queen, their workers, and their drones. Their work, they make honey. The drones, they fertilize the queen and also protect the colony. The workers, these build the colony and collect food. So these are the bees. They are social insects. They live in colony, where the colony includes the queen, the workers, and the drones. The bees are good at making honey. The drone will fertilize the queen, and it also protects the colony. The workers, they build the colony and collect the food. The lateral view. Lateral view, it's when we are seeing it from the sides. What we can see when we see it from the sides. That is the lateral view. When you look at the lateral view, you will see most of the parts. You have the head, which has got the ocelli on top. It has the compound eyes. We can see the antennas. We can see the jaws, and then the tongue. That is on the head, what you will see on the lateral view. And then you have the thorax. Thorax is this middle part here, which has got the wings, pair of wing. It has got the fore wing and then the hind wing. Then it has also the abdomen. The abdomen, you can see the spiracle, the sting. Then it has got different legs. It has got the foreleg with antennal cleaners. It has the middle leg, and then it has got the hind leg. Then the hind leg, it has different part where we have the pollen press, that part there, on the hind leg. The dorsal view, it's when we are seeing it from above. That's what we are calling the dorsal view. And we will see that it has got the head, which can be seen. It has the compound eyes. You will see the antenna, see the forelimb, thorax, the wings, the abdomen, and the hind legs. Those ones will be able to see them. You have the antenna on the head, you have the compound eyes, you have the forelimbs, you have the thorax, you have the wings, abdomen, and the hind legs. Now the mouth part, this is the mouth part, all of it joined together. That's what we are looking at. Now when it opens, we shall be able to see what we are seeing is the mouth part put together in the glare, covered in the glare, and then on the side here we have the mandibles. So all the mouth part is covered in the glare, but inside we have the labial palps, we have the paraglossa, we have the glossa. All of them, they are covered by the glare. And then outside we have the mandibles and the maxillary palps. The legs, they have got jointed legs. The first pair has a comb, and this is the comb which we are talking about. On here we have the comb. It has got two curved claws at the end. They are cross. At the end they are cross. And the middle pair has got prong. The hind pair has got pollen sac and pollen brush. So this one you will see it has got a pollen basket, and then it has got also racks, which are pollen brushes. So when you look at it, it has got a coxa, trochanter, of the femur, of the tibia, tarsus, and then the tarsus. Tarsus and the tarsus. They are all hairy. If you look at them, you will see that they have got a lot of hair on the legs. The hind leg has a pollen basket and pollen sac. Here it has got a pollen basket and pollen brush. It's a packer. So a drawing showing the hind leg of a bee, we draw the coxa connected to the femur with the trochanter. You have the femur, which is hairy. Then from the femur, we have the tibia, then the pollen basket with the pollen packers, and then we have the pollen cob. It's on the tarsus. Then it has got the cross and the allodium. The wings, there are two pairs of membranous wings for flight, the first one and the second one. And the wings have veins. If you look at them, you will see the veins. And these veins, they are for circulation of gases and strengthening of the wings. Thank you very much for participating in the bees. Please do like, share, and subscribe.